People think cities are built from steel and concrete. They're wrong. Cities are built from habits, routines, maintenance schedules, daily repeated behavior, culture. Things working the way they're supposed to, with the occasional human mistake adding character or evolution. New Nexus stopped being that kind of city a long time ago. Most people never noticed. The trains still ran, the lights still came on. The advertisements still told everybody tomorrow would be better than today. But if you stayed awake long enough, if you knew where to look, you could see the cracks. Things were breaking beneath the surface. Systems, infrastructure, reality itself. The night it all started for me looked like every other night in the city. Rain, neon, another client paying me to follow a man. His name was Marcus Arlen. Clean record, boring life, hard times. The kind of person nobody notices, which usually means somebody already has. He sped up. His hand tightened on the case. He knew someone was behind him. Problem was, it wasn't just me. At first I thought it was another tale. Another operative, another corporate cleanup crew, or some other poor dick like me. Then it was there. 20 years in investigations teaches you a few things. One of them is this. You know when you're looking at a person, and you know when you're not. Whatever that thing was, wasn't. It hit Marcus like he weighed nothing. Bone against concrete, rain against steel. The briefcase was set free. 1 second he was running, the next he was dying. I drew, fired 4 times, center mass. Nothing happened. No blood, no body, it just backed away. No answers, just silence. Except for the briefcase, it left it. I knew that wouldn't be good. I should have gone to get food instead. Fajitas. This was not the time to be grumpy. Every instinct I had told me to walk away. Instinct, and I have never had a healthy relationship. Inside was a shard, black as midnight. Sharp enough to cut light, pulsating blue veins, electric. The color matched the spirals that had infested the city, the second my hand touched it. The city changed, it became radiant. The rain sounded different. The lights looked wrong, the air felt charged, like the whole city had taken a breath and forgotten how to let it go. That's when I realized the shard wasn't an object. It was a doorway, a signal, a wound, an invitation. And somewhere beneath New Nexus, something had heard it. Kern called it principled innovation. The Knowledge Engineering Reform Network. Corporate mind control wrapped in promises of efficiency and convenience. Charters abandoned for political benefit. But standing there in the rain, holding that shard, all I could think was, somebody built something they didn't understand. And now it was loose. Arlen was the first body, not the last. The thing in that alley wasn't hunting a man. It was hunting the shard. Which meant whoever had it now was marked. Something picked me. It's days like these that make me grumpy. Well, Cat, it's time. It can wait. Let's go get fajitas.